Well, welcome back, everybody. We have a guest with us. Lex, what are we doing today?
We're fixing your motorcycle.
Well, the warm weather's here, and somebody's itching a ride, and we have to change the oil. What else are we going to do?
Clean it.
We're going to clean it, because it's a mess. And let's see what we got. Hold on. Oil, filter, 2 spark plugs, and
I don't know, white thing?
the white thing.
The white thing.
Is the white thing's an air filter.
Oh, air filter.
We're going to put an air filter in it. She's all warmed up. The oil's nice and hot. You ready to stick your hands under there?
No.
All right, let's get to it. Stand by, we'll set it up. All right, let's see. Let's back this up a little bit. All right. We set that to off. Don't flip it around. You know what's going to happen when you flip it around? That socket's going to go flying. And you know which way it's going to go? Right at, or at the bike.
Right.
All right, on the back, set it to off.
Yeah.
Okay, reach underneath. Let's see if we can get this underneath here. Right here. See that bolt right there? Right. My finger on it? There it is. Right there.
Yeah.
Let me give you a hand.
Can't see it.
Yeah, no, the lift arm is in the way. See, that's the problem.
I see it.
We made it easier by putting on the lift, but then we made it harder because it's in the way.
Smell it.
Now, okay, crack it loose. Grab the handle all the way down bottom. I'll give you a hand. I'll put it on there. All right. Okay, give it a push to me.
It is.
Come on, push. Come on. There you go. There you go. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Put that back on there. Come on, you can do it. Stay with it. Good. Rock it back and forth so it gets on the nut. All the way up to me. All the way up. Come on. Come on, it's supposed to be a short video. It's loose. Good. Now grab it with your fingers. Okay, grab it with your fingers. This is when you're going to get bathed in oil. It's going to be great. Other way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Haha.
Do I let the bolt go?
You can let the bolt go. We'll get it out of there. Get ready to get your hand out of the way. Want me to get it for you? You're going to get dirty. Here it comes.
Stop.
Look out! All right.
I get the bolt?
Now leave the bolt alone. We'll get it afterwards. All right. Oil looks pretty good. All right.
It looks brown.
It's all right. It's supposed to be brown. It's oil.
Oh.
We're going to let that drain for a few minutes. It is a little bit warm, so that's good.
Okay.
We're going to let that drain, and we're going to get the other side prepped. Because this is a Yamaha, and they decided to bury the oil filter, and we got to take the exhaust off. So, but we only got to do it once a year, so it's not too bad. So let's get the other side, get ready to get apart, and we'll let that drain, and we'll come back. All right. All right. Before we start, did you want to explain what it is we have to do to get to... Where's the oil filter? Show everybody what the oil filter is. The oil filter's in there. And why can't we just take that off?
Because this exhaust pipe is in the way.
The exhaust pipe is in the way of what? Show the people that don't know. What has to come out that the exhaust pipe is blocking? What did I point out to you? The bolt?
Yeah, the bolt.
No, what bolt is in the way? What bolt can you get out? This bolt way back in here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
There's a little bolt back in there that doesn't come out. All right, so we got to take a bunch of stuff off. So what are we going to take off?
This one.
We're going to do that, right? And then take that piece off, and then we're going to do what? Slide the pipe out? Well, we're going to slide the back half out first, just to get it so we don't scratch it. So let's do that. Good. That's it. You just got to loosen that one.
Okay.
Now wait. Now we got to change your bit. All right. Go down to the good old-fashioned hand tools. All right, you got your Allen key on there.
Completely off?
You're going to take that one completely off and put your left hand on the pipe so it doesn't fall out. Yes, look, she's even got my little kneeling pad. We don't want her to bang up her knees, right? Get that all the way in. Push it all the way in first. There you go. Go ahead. Good. Put that someplace by the back tire so it's safe. There you go. Now, put the gun down. Now take that pipe, and you should be able to wiggle it straight back, just the back half. Nice and easy. Don't pull too hard. Twist a little bit. Give it a little bit of a twist. I may have to help you with this one. Nice and easy. There it goes. Easy. Easy. It's not too hot, right?
No.
We did have the bike running before.
It's not hot at all.
All right. There you go. Okay. We're going to put this someplace nice and safe where it doesn't get banged up, right? Okay. All right. So we got the pipe out of the way.
Oh,
Now we're going to drop that pedal down, right? Because the pedal's also in the way. We're going to take those two bolts. Let's see if we can get a shot on them. So point those two bolts. Those two bolts right there. We're going to drop those out and let the pedal just kind of hang down to the side a little bit. Go ahead. Yeah. We may have to put a ratchet on that one. Go ahead.
It's not budging.
Okay, let's get a ratchet on there. Stand by. All right, hold on. We switched over to a ratchet, and she's starting without me. Okay, get that one loose. Good. All right, now loosen the other one. That's it. Inward pressure. Come on, come on. Look at them muscles. Look at it go. Go, 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 go. Nice. Now, guess what you can do now? Now you can use this. Now you can use the nut driver, the impact driver. Because now they'll come right out. Zip, zip, zip. There you go. That's it, that's it, that's it. Now wait a second, where are you going to put those? Oh, why don't we get a nice little parts tray for you? How's that? Nice and easy, go ahead. Alright. Now that should just hang down a little bit. Gotta let it hang a little bit. Nice and easy. Just like that. Okay. Now, what's next? Now we gotta take out what?
Something over here.
The what?
Something over there.
Something over there. Alright, we're gonna go back. I don't know if you're gonna be able to fit that in there. Maybe. You gotta put the little 8mm. Little 8mm on there. We gotta take out the nut. We gotta drop the brake fluid reservoir because that's also in the way. And that tire's in the way. Hold on. Let's see if we can do this. Does that give you a little more room right there?
Yeah.
And make sure you hold on to that piece because it's gonna want to fall.
This. Wait, which piece? This?
Yeah, that's gonna want to fall when you get. That's only one nut holding that in.
Tire's in the way.
Go ahead.
Tire's still in the way.
Huh?
It's not straight.
It's okay. Go ahead. Try that out. Give it a little bump. Look at that. Make sure you got a hand on that. Good. It's out.
Okay.
All right.
Where do you want me to put it?
You can just leave, yeah, you can just leave it there for now. That's good. Now, let's see. I'm gonna shoot this right through the forks here. Now we gotta take the two bolts out of that manifold. That you may want to do. I don't know if you're gonna get the impact driver in there. You may want to do that with the little ratchet right here.
Okay.
I don't know if that's the right size. You may want to double check the size. Okay, so we switched over to a 3/8 ratchet with a little more leverage, right? There you go, you're on it. Now we're going to try to hold it straight. This is the tricky part.
Pipe's in the way.
It's what?
Who put this pipe there?
Who put the pipe there?
Pipe's in the way.
What?
Pipe's in the way.
Okay, well here's what you do. Let's get into a spot where it's not in the way.
I'm just gonna loosen it and take it off.
Say again?
Loosen or take off?
I would loosen one and then loosen the other one and then we'll take them both off. Okay? Alright, we're gonna try to keep that ratchet 90 degrees. That's it. That's it. There you go. Nice and easy. Stay in control. Nice. Come back. Click, click, click. Feel it coming loose?
Yeah.
Alright. You always want to push away, never at you. You know why? If you pull at you and it slips, you bust the nose. You hit yourself in the face. That's good. Now loosen the other one.
Right. It came out.
What came out?
Bolt.
Oh. Okay. So much for loosening.
Oops.
Alright, you loosen that one. I'm going to go to this side and hold the pipe.
Okay.
Okay? Go ahead. That's it. You want it. Good. Nice. Go ahead. Might be able to do it with your fingers now.
Yeah, I think so.
The other trick is you don't, and if you make it a little bit easier, take the socket off. Just put the socket on and twist the socket with your fingers. There you go. Down on there, give that a twist. There, a little bit easier.
Yeah.
We're gonna watch me not lose the gasket out of here. We're gonna reuse that gasket.
Alright, I think it's loose. Come on, take it off.
Take it off.
Oh, take it off.
Take it off. We're gonna reuse the gasket, and everybody's gonna yell at us, don't reuse the gasket, but we are. Because I have for the last 3 years, and it's been holding up.
Okay.
And watch this. Now we're just gonna very carefully try to. We're gonna try. I don't know this off, you said?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck?
There's one back here. That's what's holding it in.
No, that's just a cover. Oh, you know what? Wait a second. Take that off, honey.
That one?
Yeah, I thought you said you took it off.
Not that one.
Oh, you took the shield bolt out.
Oh.
All right. All right. That's why you gotta get your eyeball down in there. You took the little bolt out that holds this to the shield on.
Oh, oops.
Got it?
Yeah, whatever it is.
All right. That's why you always gotta watch to make sure you've got the socket on the right bolt. Sometimes you slip over one and you're
Got
taking
it.
the wrong thing apart. You ready?
Yep.
Hey, but that's the gasket we're looking for, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to slide this out without scratching it.
Yep.
There we go. I'm gonna put this over with the other one. And we're gonna make sure we get that gasket. Put that in a little box tray. Okay. Alright, so you can tell that I stepped in because you were a little nervous about doing this part. It's really no big deal. This is the part, this is the bolt we had to drop the pedal for. It's a little hidden. Now it's only this part of the cover. This bolt has an O-ring on it. And then out of these three, they're two different sizes. If I'm not mistaken, I think one of them doesn't have to come out. And I always want to take it out anyway. Crack them all loose. I think that's the one that doesn't have to come out. Probably should use an extension so I don't risk scratching the chrome slash plastic. Not sure. Mark them or just lay them out in order. That's what I usually do. This is the long one. There you go. That's the different one right there. And then this is going to be the one with the O-ring on it. I don't know why they didn't come up with a better design. The O-ring's inside the case, so here comes the oil all over everything. We'll clean it up. Yeah. Oh, never mind, there it is. It's that one right there. It was hiding from me. I knew there was one I forget. I got a buddy of mine in New Zealand. Hopefully he's going to watch this, and he's going to laugh at me.
Why?
Because all he does is work on motorcycles, and he's going to say, why don't you just watch my video? He's busy building a garage right now, out in New Zealand.
Cool.
Yeah. So, make sure we don't mix these up. And there we go. There we go. That's the cover. Here comes the filter. Come on. Come on, here it comes. Come on. It's a baby boy.
No.
I just spilled the oil all over it. No? filter.
Ew.
Make sure you put it back in the right way. My helper's going to get me my new oil filter. Awesome. Put this baby back in here. Now we gotta go change. So the other O-ring fell. I want to show you that other O-ring for the bolt goes right in here. Gotta make sure you put that back. It did not stick, which means it fell off somewhere. I'm not sure where. And we gotta change this O-ring right here. There's actually two of them. One, two. Two new O-rings. Put the new one in place right there. Make sure it doesn't fall out. I don't even know where the old one went. But I know it's not there. This will only go in one direction, so I'll try to mark it. Under this hole goes up, if that helps. And this is the tough part, because this never wants to snap back in right. So you almost got to draw it in so it seats. Ooh, this thing's gonna need a cleaning when we're done. Try to get a head start here. See how that works. The one that goes through the O-ring. Okay. No, it's not, dummy. Come on. Yes, it is, right there. Come on. There we go, that one's going in. Over here. And the one that was hiding from me, up under here. I will walk these, especially these three, I will walk them in. So it walks that plate in straight. You could have done this, you know. My assistant has moved behind the camera. I'd rather you do this, so if you screw it up, I can just blame you.
Oh, thanks. Love you too.
See? I screw it up. It's on me. I never screw up. Almost never.
Sure.
Now, what I do is I concentrate on these three. These two are kind of like decorative, so to speak. These are the three to hold the oil filter housing in. So I really like to walk these three in. So it pulls that plate in straight, like so, like so. That's the extent of my instruction capabilities. Like so, like so. Make sure you talk it to spec. Click, click. Click, click. What? Why are you looking at me like that? It's perfect.
I'm not looking at you like anything.
Alright. That's that. The oil drain plug is back in. No, I didn't film it because I don't think it's necessary. We are going to clean this thing up. This is the part. You know my friend Eric, right? Up at South Main. Of course you do. He does this thing. He goes like that with the brake can, with the brake cleaner, and it makes a noise. And I can't do it. There's a big ta-da! Right? I'm not that good yet. Maybe you do it. Wait, come here. You do it. You do it.
To what?
Come here. Grab that can. Hold on. Maybe that's the trick. Just take the can in front of the camera. Go. Ta-da! Like that. Let's go. Let's see. Clean the baby up. Nice and nice. Now, Now we take a union brake. I'm just kidding. Now we gotta put it back together.
I was gonna say, I still want to go for a ride today. Pour it in? Whole thing?
Pour it on in. And now you check the oil in this one. No dipstick.
Oh, there's no dipstick?
There's no dipstick.
Oh.
See that little glass window down there? Glass window right there. You see that little glass window right there? If you look really carefully, it's between that line and that line right there. There's two lines. See those little dashes right there?
Yeah.
On the chrome? That's where you want the oil. You want the oil to be like halfway in that window. But we have to stand the bike straight up. So, because you're here to help me, I'm gonna stand this baby straight up as I can, right about there.
Above halfway.
A little above halfway.
Yeah, it's basically, it's almost at the second line.
Okay, so good. Here's what we do now. We take that funnel out.
Okay.
We're going to put the cap in. We're going to start it. We're going to run it. And look, this way it gets the filter all wet. And fills that little compartment up. And then we'll recheck it. Alright, let's finish up. I did change the air filter. No, I didn't film it. It's pretty simple. It's just 3 screws. Take it off. Air filter pops right out. The plugs I'll do next time. It's getting a little late in the day, and we wanted to clean it up and go for a little ride since the weather's nice. So, guys, I hope you appreciate it. I know I did, hanging out with my daughter. And for those that don't know, that is the A in S&A. She is my co-pilot on this beast, and I was happy to have her help me out. So, guys, have a great day. Thank you. Be sure to click subscribe, ring the bell, all that other stuff, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.